guys, how have you all been? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pulkit. Now today's video is going to be again a very fun video. I have the big book box March box today. Now as the name suggests, this was a March box and I ordered it back in March. It came about 10 days back and I didn't get a chance to open it up. But today I finally got some time, so I thought of sharing this one with you. So this one is my third big book box and I love them. I love the big book box and I cannot wait to order more from them. And also thank you so much for all the love that you've been showing on my previous videos. Keep sharing these videos as well. And if you like what I'm doing here, just like this video and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's open this up. I'm gonna keep it here. One particular product which was the reason I got the Mocha box, because that was available only in Mocha and Bref boxes. So I'm so excited to share it with you. I thought I'll unbox it in like a really classy, aesthetic manner. But I guess that's just not how I work. I have it here. Okay, so this looks somewhat like this. It says the big book box, the Mocha exclusive. And it says magical March box, as you can see over here. Okay. All right. Hey, I believe you've been expecting me. It says over here, hey, I believe you've been expecting me. Of course, I've been expecting you. And I'm sure you're going to be worth the wait. All right. So it looks somewhat like this. And I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to show you each and every product one by one. All right. So the first thing that I have here is things to do before I can brew magic. So it's like a to-do list, I think. And I really love the lilac shade over here. I love lilacs in general and I love this shade. Then I see the first book, which is a paperback and a beautiful cover. It is The Luckless Lady's Guide to Wizardry. Love the cover of the book, and I was very much intrigued by the plot as well. It's a mixture of magic and sorcery, and it's unique, haunting, magical, treacherous, romantic, all the things that I love together. So yep, this is the first book over here, somewhat like this now. So we've got the second book, which is The Lost Apothecary. It has got these purple sprayed edges, and I love the purple or the lavender shade in general. So I really love this book as well. All your magical March knickknacks. So I think this has like the cards, the theme cards and stuff. So it says alchemy and wizardry stickers. So I think you can comprehend that this box is based around magic and sorcery and witches. So I really love all these stickers here. They are inspired from magic and witches, and I absolutely love witches in the world in which we have witches. Okay, and also we have this author letter, from the author of The Lost Apothecary, which is Sarah Penna. So this is my first time that I have received an author letter. I always love author letters or author signatures. They say the theme for your box says rules of alchemy and wizardry. So it is a theme card for us. We purple you, and so the colors and the themes for this one are mostly purple. I love purple, and we purple you too, the big book box. Okay, now again, one cannot have enough bookmarks, and look at it. Again, a purple bookmark. I love purple color. I love the shade of lavender. It says, the apothecary is a friend to all women. The brewer of our secret, the men are dead because of us. Anything which has super powerful female protagonist just grabs my attention immediately, and that's why I wanted to grab this one. So I've got this here. I've got bookmarks here as well. And I've got one more bookmark here. The world said, you know, my dear, it isn't safe for a little girl to walk through these woods alone. Well, I think she will. Anyway, walk through the woods alone. Got a third book here, which is a hardcover, a wonderful, beautiful hardcover, The Shadow in the Glass, Dare to Make a Wish. Again, a beautiful book, Everything the black-eyed woman had promised was true. It wasn't a dream. She could have anything she wanted. Leave Granborough House. She would reshape her life into a glorious shining jewel, and all who saw it would envy her. But if the wishes were real, then so was the price she had paid. Her soul was no longer her own. Oh my goodness, I'm getting Eddie LaRue story vibes from the soul thing. Let's see how this book is. All right, now I've got this always check wardrobes for Narnia themed. It's a pouch, I guess. Narnia themed pouch here, and we've got these paper noodles or something. I don't know what to call them. I've got this thing here. I think it's a candle. I don't really see that one product I was telling you I was so excited about. I don't really see this here. Did it? What happened? It's a candle, I think. I mean, it looks exactly like a candle. Room freshener. You can see this. This is a room freshener. And I've got this beautiful enamel bookmark. It looks really pretty. Really pretty. Love it. It's an enamel bookmark. I did not own any enamel bookmark as of now, and I really think it's gorgeous. And then we have one more book. Okay, yeah. This is the last thing in this. Okay, no, we have one more thing here. I think these are some stickers. Okay, I think these are some stickers. Let me just. And we've got this. I was super excited about this book as well. Finally, we have this candle. Let me open it up. I don't have that one product over here, which I was super excited about. It was a bookish, book-shaped vase, and I don't know why is it not here. I'm gonna have to email them. It's not here. I'm gonna have to email them like right away. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna update you as to what happened and why did I not receive that one. So yeah, I think that was all for this particular box. If you want to check out their boxes, you can go ahead and check it on their website. I'm going to be adding the link in the description, and I'm also adding a discount code that you can use to book their monthly boxes. That's called Kit10. And yeah, if you like bookish content, bookish videos, and the kind of videos that I make sure that you share it with your friends. And yeah, that will be all. Yes, I'm filming this part of the video 2 months after I filmed the previous part. So I basically opened this box 2 months before I'm filming this particular part. That's because I actually moved to a new city, and a lot of things happened, and that's why I wasn't home to film all these videos, and my books and my box was here. So I could not film a lot of stuff, and I was really trying to do a lot of other things. Anyway, the reason why the bookish vase was not a part of the big book box, that particular edition, was that in the COVID pandemic, in the second wave, the vendor who was actually responsible for sending them the vases, he could not make it, and that was the reason that those vases could not make it to the box. So I think that's okay. This was something unprecedented, and it I think it's fine. Although I had a word with the big book box team, and they were they told me about this immediately, and they actually sent out an email. For some reasons I missed on that, so I wasn't aware about it. So they basically sent an email to other customers, I believe, and I think I missed it somehow. So I actually texted them on Instagram, and they told me that this was the scene, and I felt really insensitive after that this something terrible happened with the man, and I'm asking about the update about it. But yeah, so that's why the vase could not make it to this particular box here. So I've had a word with them, and they said that they are going to be sending some replacement to the people who ordered the mocha boxes. And so yeah, let's see what is it that we get. I also have one more box. I'm gonna unbox that box as well now that I'm home for a few days, and then I'm gonna be moving to my new city really soon. So yeah, that's the thing here, and I think I'm home for Diwali, so happy Diwali. And yeah, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends, and let's spread the bookish love over here. And now once I'm gonna settle in, I'm gonna be here regularly, and I'm gonna meet you guys every week. So yeah, Till then, bye, take care, read as much as you can, fall in love with reading, enjoy, stay with your family, and if you're and if this Diwali has and if you're not celebrating this Diwali, if you're not well, if you've suffered something, and if this year has not been kind to you and you're not celebrating the festivals, I am sending a lot of hugs to you. Hang in there, it'll all be okay. Time will heal everything, and if not, you'll learn how to, you know, uh, walk and live life with the void that you might be feeling at this point of time, because I understand this year has not been kind, and maybe you're not celebrating, so it's not really fun for you, but I'm sending you a lot of love and hugs. So yeah, that would be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye, take care, and lots of love.